Today I am going to test out my microwave again with the express purpose of getting sparks. So I'm going to be testing out this DVD and this piece of tinfoil. As well, in this video I will also be showing the great footage from the cheese grater, the can opener, and the fork. Here we go. Now I plan on testing out the DVD and seeing what happens to it. So that was actually pretty cool. As you see, this DVD is pretty messed up. Here's the front and here's the back. So I would definitely not recommend placing one of these in the microwave. Now I plan on testing out the tinfoil. So that was a huge disappointment. I was told that tinfoil was just violent when you put it in there. It was a spark, but compared to what I was prepared for, what I was expecting, it sucked. Now I will test this out with the can opener. After the can opener was put in, it was not too hot to touch. However, as you can see, the heat from the metal got hot enough to melt the rubber from the handle. So this might be something that you have to take into account. However, overall, still not a big deal. And still not life-endangering. Moving on, now we will test the cheese grater. The same thing that happened to the can opener also happened to the cheese grater. As you see from the video and right here, the metal sparked and the rubber caught fire. Here is the fork. This is what we will be testing now. So the fork caused some sparks and was very hot when it left, hence the oven mitt. The bonus footage added to this video will be what happens when you heat water in the microwave too much. Just a little bit of water in a shot glass kind of exploded a little bit. Watch. So today we saw some sparks, but I think the uncontested winner without doubt would be the DVD. It by far the best sparks and it's the most damage of anything I placed in the microwave. The unexpected surprise, however, was the water. I totally did not expect it to happen, and when I was just filming and it exploded, made me so happy.